Dreams Alive NCLEX RN. Introduction. Dreams Alive NCLEX RN. Comprehensive review is ideal for registered nurses to take preparation to pass their National Council licensure examination. This test preparation is essential to getting success. I have developed the NCLEX RN exam preparation guide to support you to pass the exam. I will provide you with the documents, resources, and strategies to make you successful. Besides, to help you make your exam preparation as confident as possible. If you have already developed your NCLEX-EN study plan, you should review this guide and the suggested resources and documents. To become an RN called Registered Nurse in Nova Scotia, you must pass the NCLEX-RN exam. At the end of the guide, I will provide you with the checklist to help you develop your exam plan. All the concepts are described, and not a single point I passed in this guide. Here are the critical sections of the exam: basic care and comfort, health promotion and maintenance, management of care, pharmacological and parenteral therapies, physiological adaptation, psychosocial integrity, reduction of risk potential, safety and infection control. All sections detail you will get into the book. Most of the practice guides have only questions and solutions. In this book, you will find the strategies to make the preparation confident and tips to get good results. The Dreams Alive Test Preparation Guide will provide you with all the NCLEX questions and their answers. Also, the explanation of the responses as well. To make your concept depth, you will get each answer in detail.